On Sunday.
Good. All right, Eddie. Are you saying the guy in the purple thing is Ryan?
No.
Okay, because that's Bradley. Yeah. I've dealt with
The
him.
guy in the driver's seat.
Okay. Well, I didn't see. There's nobody in there right now.
He's tucked back.
Oh, gotcha. What are they doing here?
This is just the construction they're doing for Rainier.
Yeah.
So they're stopping. There's where they keep their stuff.
Gotcha.
That's where they keep their stuff, and then they use it for like the construction part. Yeah.
They're not gonna end up doing anything with the parking lot. They're just kind of renting the parking lot out.
No, because they are also using the parking lot that's by the Safeway where that free COVID clinic. They're using that too.
Okay. We're not.
He asked me my name, and I said, why do I have to identify if I haven't committed a crime?
Cool.
And he goes, that's it, I'm marking it for tow. Okay, well, you got to at least give me 72 hours then.
That's what that's saying. If you
Okay,
actually read it.
but then still, towing it is violating Martin v. Boise.
No, it's not.
And it's violating Long v. Seattle.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Feel free to fight it in court.
It doesn't matter to me,
Okay.
dude. I ain't got nothing else to do.
Okay.
You guys are going to violate my shit.
Good.
You guys are to offer me housing before you can remove me off of the public land. Yes, that's Martin v. Boise.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then
I know
fight
you
it in
guys
court.
don't give a fuck because
Then
you're
fight it in
a bunch of fucking tyrants.
Okay. Same to you, sir. Same to you, sir. What's that? I would love that.
Cinder block.
Yeah, so now I told her let's close it because I'm seeing the page come out through this, so I don't know how we can even help prevent this. You know what I mean?
Yep, I know exactly what you mean. Any questions?
No, not no. Thank you.
Yeah, like I said, it's not 70 cars worth out.
Okay.
Because they have a lot of them.
Yeah.
So they essentially just go through the list.
Yeah.
And however long it takes is
Okay.
how long it takes,
Okay.
kind of thing. So.
All right. No. Yeah.
But it's beneficial.
Okay. Yeah. And then, like I said, I'm just gonna do an email to Guy with the city just because sometimes he gets complaints and then he comes to us. I'm like very handling it.
Yep. Okay. Yep. And I'm also coming.
Okay. Cool. Thank you. You guys have a good day.
You as well.
Wait, officer coming. You work at?
She's like, oh my god.
You used to work at
That's the one.
the high school,
That's
right?
the one.
Oh my gosh,
The
I
same
remember you in
one.
high school. That's so crazy.
I don't recognize you.
That's crazy.
All right. You guys have a good day. He wanted to get froggy and started calling you. I go, hey, how about you come back here and get froggy with me real quick? And then he still wanted to talk, but he didn't advance.